Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. I hope you're doing well. In this particular video, we are going to solve a LeetCode problem, remove element. So first, let's discuss what is the problem says. Given an integer array nums and an integer value, remove all occurrence of val. So in nums, in place the order of the element may be changed. Then the return number of element in nums which are not equal to val. Okay. So this question is particular saying whatever we have to input. Suppose we will see this example. In nums we have 3 2 2 then 3. So what we have to do in this particular question, we have to remove simply whatever the input val. Val means it's a value, so whatever we have to in the val, so we will simply remove this particular value. So in this input num we will see 3, then we will simply remove 3. After that 2 we can store somewhere, and again we have to 2, we can again store somewhere. After that we have to 3, so we will again simply remove 3. And after that what we have to do here, we will simply count entire element what we have to store in any value. So what we have to do here, we will simply print them. So in this, see this nums 2 1 2 and another 2, so we have to only 2 elements. So what we have to do here, we will simply print 2. Okay, we will discuss simply intuition in this question behind it. So in this question we will simply use one loop. Okay, after that we will discuss approach. What is approach? In this particular question we will use two pointer approach. So first let's we will write a code, and then after that we will simply dry run it. Okay, so we will simply int j is equal to 0. We will take one variable, those we can store any our data. Okay, after that we will simply use n for our num size. We can store our size in somewhere in n value. Okay, num size. After that what we have to do here in this, after that we will use simply for loop. Int I is equal to 0, then I is less than n, then I plus plus. Okay, we will iterating entire our vector. Okay, then what we will do here, if nums if we will have, if nums ith is not equal to val, if nums ith is not equal to val, so what we have to do here, we will simply store our value. Okay, those remaining value we will simply store, so in the jth position. Okay, and here we will nums ith position simply remove, store in jth position. Okay, then after that what we will do here, whatever in our j store, we will simply return it, return j. Okay, let's try to run it. It's okay, now it's accepted. So let's understand what is, let's understand and try run it in this code. Okay, so copy from here and okay, okay, so it's our code. Okay, let's tag one input, then after that we will try run in this code. So we will simply copy this example number 1 and copy from here. Okay, 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 it's our input and it's our code. Okay, let's to dry run it. Our input is nums 3 2 2 3. Okay, and then our value is integer value is 3. Okay, so we will start our one pointer from 0. Okay, and again we will simply store our size. Okay, after that we will use one for loop. So in this loop we will iterating entire our array. So in ith position we have checked if nums ith position not equal to val, means if nums ith 0 this position. Okay, wait, we'll check a mark. Okay, we will take this one, this vector from ith position. Nums ith position means our right now current our right now our vector is here. Let's I will write here a code 3, then 2, sorry my writing is not good, 2, then again 2, then okay, let's remove it, then 3. Okay, so in current time our pointer is our pointer is here, I pointing to this one and j is also pointing this one. It is our current pointer. So at the time when if nums I position means I means this one nums I position 3, 3 is not equal to well, but it is equal, so we will not enter, we will not enter in this if condition. Then again our n value is 1. Now if now our n equal to 0, then now its values increases by 1. Okay, when its value is 1, so our I pointer is here, I pointer is our here. Okay, so now again we will check if nums I position means 2, 2 is not equal to value, yes it is not equal to value, so we will entering this if loop, if particular condition, so we will enter this condition and simply we will in jth nums jth position we will store our ith value, means we will 2, these two, wait I change my color pen. Okay, these two we will store somewhere in j. So j is equal to, we have to 2. Okay, after that we will again iterate, so now n value is equal to 2, so now here is our I pointer and j comes to here. After that now we will again check if ith position is not equal to well, yes it is not equal to well because it's again 2, it's again 2. So now we will again enter this if condition and we will increase our jth position. Okay, so we will again increase our jth position, we will store again 2, and after that we now our n value is 3. We will again check if nums I position is equal to not equal to well, no it's not, no it's equal to well. So in our jth position we have to 2 value, see this, we have 2 value, so what we have to do here, we will simply print 2, we will simply return 2 in this particular, see this in j we will simply return 2. That's our output, that's our answer. Let's submit it, it's working or not. Okay, it's 100% working. Okay, let's discuss its space time complexity and space complexity. So I will, so our time complexity is big of n because we are using only one for loop, so big of n. If we are talking about space complexity, so we will not using any extra space, so our space complexity is big of 1. Okay, if you understand this solution, so please like this video and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.